but how is this allowing the company to generate revenue or mitigate risk from an overall company exposure standpoint?
This feels like something both that we've preached for a while, but it's also something I know I'm bad at. But because when you assign numbers to it, one, it tells you it can help you realize if you're working on the right priorities for yourself in terms of, the quantification provides the ability to kind of rank it against other potential opportunities to make investments in, but also politically keeping it alive within the organization and being able to say, this is where it adds value becomes important as well, because we always run the risk of, even after budgets are set, it feels like things, especially lately, can really shift. And if you don't have a clear way to say, this is how I benefit the business with these activities and the return we're going to get, and not the same time you were talking about, but the time frame in which we'd start seeing those benefits, how fast does that begin? And what foundation does this build for us to be able to make things easier in the future? Because I feel like everything I've talked to you about in our prep for this and the reading that you've had me do has been around building a foundation that says, hey, some of this stuff is complex in the beginning, but it's all designed not to be something you're doing just for the sake of doing it. You're doing it to build better processes, because that's kind of what I like about automation is that it's hard to figure out how to make a process automatable. But then once you do, your error rate goes down, your pain goes down, and when you move on to the next automation project.